What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black. It is my favorite color because I love to wear black color since my childhood, and my father also
Wears.
wears black color, so it is kind of my in my genes, or genetically it is my very favorite color.
All right.
What's the color you dislike?
The color I most dislike is the pink color, because all the girls, always prefer pink color, and they are very interested in pink color, so that's why I hate
All
it.
right. You got good general knowledge. Let's go on.
What color makes you uncomfortable in your room?
Yellow color makes me uncomfortable in my room, because yellow color is basically the color of sunlight. So when I'm sleeping and the sunlight came from window, it is yellow color, and
You don't like yellow color.
I hate it basically.
Okay, thank you. So overall, try to add some more sentences to your answer.
Yes,
Speak actively. Show some interest in the
Yes, sir.
questions. Okay, thank you.